Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change device name on your DELL Inspiron 3530 laptop. To do that, open the Start menu and go to Settings on your laptop. Then go to System on the sidebar and scroll down to About section. Here you'll be able to see Rename this PC option next to your device's name. And if you click Rename this PC right here, you'll be able to enter a new name for your device. Here you can use a combination of letters, hyphens, and numbers. So do not use any space bars, and name your device somewhat like and then press Enter to confirm. And then you're going to have to either restart your computer now to apply changes now, or restart it later to do it later. Let's click Restart Now and let the laptop reboot, and then we'll see the results. And once your device is restarted, let's enter the PIN code. Then let's go to the Start menu and let's open Settings. And here, right on the home screen, we'll be able to see the new name for our laptop. And that's how you rename your device. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.